Everything you want as a creator comes from making the best videos possible and thumbnails.
What? Photoshop! Photoshop, baby! Photoshop!
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make a very good thumbnail using Photopea. Photoshop is good but expensive.
Nice.
So without wasting time, let's get cooking. First, you open Photopea.com. Comment if you want more Photopea tutorials. Create a new project. Pick YouTube thumbnail and select white for the background. First, you need to find your character for the thumbnail. I'm going to use Goku. You can use whatever character you want. Head over to Background Remover. Upload your image. Once you have the PNG image, resize it and make it look good. Next is text. For the text, we're going to use Lemon Milk font. Double-click on the text layer to open the text properties. Add drop shadow. Add gradient overlay. Add inner glow. Once you are done, resize the text and change the position. Double-click on the layer and change the color. It looks good already. To make it better, we have to add the anime lighting. Once you have it, make it bigger. Click on the layer and change the blending mode to screen. Next, we add space background. Click on image and change the color balance. Add stroke to the character, change it to white. Also add stroke to the text to make it pop. Follow my steps. Once you're done, export the image in JPG format. Increase the quality to 100%. And there you have it. You don't need Photoshop to make cool thumbnails. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. Click here to know more about your channel CPM.